Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Prochem Academy. Now today I will discuss about the question answers of ICSE from the chapter Atomic Structure. Okay, that means for class 9 actually. Okay, for no, not for class 9, it is for class 7. Okay, now see the questions. Some questions are there from this book. I'll discuss this one. Okay, now the first question is given here. What are the other questions I have already discussed up to F. Now we will start from G. Okay, what are the three elements? What are the three elements? Sorry, not three elements, three subatomic particles of an atom. Now we know the answer is proton, neutron and electron. Okay, proton, neutron, electron are the three subatomic particles of an atom. Now number 3, differentiate between the molecules of an element and the molecules of a compound. Okay, now how to differentiate this one? Molecules of an element and molecules of a compound. Okay, so molecules of an element will consist of same like atom. That means same atom, 2 or 3 same like atom, they will join together to form the molecules of an atom. But in case of molecules of a compound, we'll have different atoms like water. Okay, so like water, in case of water, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen and oxygen molecule combines together to form molecule of a compound. Okay, so in that case we have seen that the different atoms are there. Okay, but for the molecules of an element, there will be same like atom. Say nitrogen. Nitrogen molecule is N2, so 2 nitrogen atoms. So same, both are same element. That means 2 nitrogen. Okay, so this is the difference between molecules of an element and molecules of a compound. Okay, now next see. What is a chemical bond? What is a chemical bond? Now chemical bond means it is an interaction. Okay, what is chemical bond? What is chemical bond? The interaction force or the force of interaction. Okay, interaction which holds the atoms together in a molecule. Okay, the interaction force, the force of interaction which holds the atoms together in a molecule is called chemical bond. Is chemical bond. Okay, so chemical bond is nothing but the force of interaction which holds the atoms together in a molecule. Now next, what is polyatomic molecule? Okay, what is polyatomic molecule? Now if a molecule contains more than 2, okay, more than 2 atoms in a molecule, that means if the atomicity is more than 2, that will be a polyatomic molecule. Okay, if the atomicity is more than 2, then it will be a polyatomic molecule. Like diatomic molecule is a, you can say, but triatomic molecule, tetraatomic molecule is a polyatomic molecule. So if the atomicity of a molecule is more than 2, it will be polyatomic. Okay, it will be polyatomic molecule. Okay, now next you see what we mean by trivalent elements. Okay, So next question is that what do you mean by triatomic molecules? Okay, so the next question is that number 5. Sorry, yes, number 5. What do you mean by trivalent elements? Okay, what is trivalent elements? Now the element whose valence is 3, those are called trivalent elements. The elements whose valence is 3 are called trivalent elements. Okay, simple. Just I am not writing the answer, I am just telling you the elements whose valence is 3 are called trivalent elements. Okay, now next, number 6. How is an anion formed? Now how is an anion formed? When a non-metal accepts an electron, or when an atom of an element accepts electron, after that it will form an ion. Okay, when an atom of an element accept electrons, okay, it forms an ion. Like example, you see, if chlorine accept electron, it will form Cl minus ion, so it is an ion. Okay, example is that. Next is, what is monoatomic ion? So the next question is that name one polyatomic ion that carries positive charge. So ammonium ion is a polyatomic molecule that carries positive charge. Polyatomic means a group of atoms will be there. Now another question is that what is monoatomic ion? Okay, actually monoatomic ion means the ion contains only one atom, that is the monoatomic ion. Okay, some other questions are also there here. See, one question is given like this, that describe the composition of an atom. Now describe the composition of an atom means what? Atom consists of nucleus, and at the nucleus proton and neutrons are there, and surrounding the nucleus electrons are revolving. An atom consists of 3 subatomic particles, proton, neutron and electron. Okay, up to this you can write. Next question, write any 3 characteristics of an atom. Now you can include these things in the characteristics of an atom also, that atoms are not independent. Okay, and next, atoms of same element will have the same chemical and physical property. Okay, you can write it. Atoms contains 3 subatomic particle, proton, neutron, electron. Atoms are only participating in the reaction. This thing you can write. Write the characteristics of a molecule. Okay, molecule will form by the combination of the atoms. Okay, molecules are stable while atoms are not stable. Molecules will not participate in the reaction. Okay, so these are the comparison. Right, what happens when atoms combine to form compound? Give one example. Compound means when 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen combines together, they will form water molecule, water compound. Now that is a compound. That means compound when formed by the combination of atoms getting the stability. Okay, and next, write difference between monoatomic ions and polyatomic ions. Monoatomic ions will only contain one atom, that means Cl minus, like that. Cl minus is a monoatomic ion. And polyatomic ion means a bunch of atoms will be there, that is NH4 plus. So these are the difference. And describe the periodic table. Periodic table, you know that I have already given one video also. Okay, you can see. Okay, another video is there about periodic table. That periodic table makes us easier to arrange to classify the elements in a table that consists of group and periods. Okay, and that is made by Mendeleev first. Okay, so you can see that video also. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to practice these questions. Okay, so thank you for today's class. Next day I'll make another video regarding another chapter of class 7 ICSE. Okay, thank you.